the steering in my hands, I'm headed for jungle roads, where it's calm and pretty, and I'm wild and free. Steering in my hands, I'm headed for jungle roads.
Kamagani Hukum, welcome to Adi.
Kamangani,
I hope you enjoyed the drive.
through jungle roads, it's always delightful. अरे क्या बात है!
So you get the seat with the view.
Lovely.
You know, Hada, they say that a scenic sunrise is the key to a good day, as is a good breakfast. But, you know, when it's in a spectacular place like this, I think it's a rocket to a rocking day.
Absolutely. So I think let's go to the place where you're staying. And to just let you know, there are chances of leopard on the way.
Really?
Yes, sir. And there were monkey warning calls in the morning. So let's see what luck has installed for us.
Let's check it out.
Stop. So this is where the alarm calls were. And look, there. Yes. See the leopard?
Mr. Spots.
Oh.
Well done. Wow. Sunning himself, huh?
Yes.
Out in the open.
Watching us.
Thanks to you.
Thank you, sir.
Maza aa gaya. Jungle roads. This is where I belong. क्या हाड़ा साहब वहाँ आपने live leopard दिखाया sitting on a rock, and here you have a sculpture with a pair of them sitting on a table to welcome us. Eh? This really is leopard territory.
Absolutely, sir.
Sahab,
Kamangani.
welcome aboard on Osprey, sir.
Thank you.
Please have a seat, sir.
Thank you. So we are settling in for the evening in your floating villa. Eh?
Right. Cheers with a coffee.
Cheers with the coffee. I can smell that we've got some special stuff cooking up. Barbecue on a boat.
Bob Sahab, since you're here and I know what you really enjoy, we've got a special barbecue for you on the boat here.
Only Veerapanna can do this. Barbecue on a boat, so special. Thank you. Yeah.
Always a pleasure, sir.
अब और क्या करेंगे आप?
आप फरमाइश करें और हम हाजिर हैं. फरमाओ आप क्या करना है. What do you think about fishing tomorrow when the light breaks in the morning?
Sounds super यार. ये कोई बोट है कि खुशियों का खजाना है? Hello and namaste, Bana.
Good morning, boss saab.
What a way to say good morning, huh?
So, boss saab, this morning, though the fish are not taking a bite, but would you like to try your luck?
With a champion like you to, guide me, how can I say no? Cormorant,
Good cast.
Learning from you, but nowhere close to how gracefully you do it.
Bob saab, we have so much to learn from you. This is nothing.
आप तो इतनी शान से ऐसे स्मूथली ग्रेसफुली करते हो. जंगल की क्या खबर है?
सर आज हम जंगल में मांस बना रहे हैं एंड उस मांस का नाम हमने दिया है शिकारी मांस.
शिकारी जंगली मांस बनेगा जंगल में?
जी सर.
हाय क्या बात है. पूरा उल्टा कर दो. अब मजा आया. आने लगा अच्छा खुशबू. कितना समय लगता है एक को पकने को?
1 घंटा लगेगा.
अगर एक पानी को 1 घंटा लगता है पकने में, माने उसका स्वाद ही अलग आता है.
स्वाद ही अलग आता है.
And believe me, nothing tastes better than this. ये है जंगली मांस और जंगल की जिंदगी.
This is the best example of a peaceful lifestyle that you spend in the jungle. Hada, after this jungle feast, what next?
सर आज आपकी चाय भी जंगल में कराएंगे.
तो शाम की चाय जंगल में होगी?
जी सर.
आप तो हमारा दिल लूटने पर लग गए.
सर आप हमारे मेहमान हैं.
और हम जंगली आदमी हैं.
Hurricane lanterns date back to British-ruled India when they were known as India Shades. For centuries, such oil lanterns provided light in Indian homes, but now they are becoming increasingly rare. So the lantern light dinner with Veerambanna was not just nostalgic, but also fascinating and fun.
What a fantastic evening.
Thank you so much for coming.
मजा आ गया.
सर दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द वाटर होल्स विच वी हैव क्रिएटेड एंड अपन ने ऑलरेडी लेपर्ड देख लिया है सुबह एंड नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर अ नाइट ड्राइव एंड सी व्हाट ऑल नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स वी कैन सी.
When day fades into darkness, jungles become home for creatures of the night, and only the brave or foolish venture into them. पर दीवाने तो हम हैं, तो चले गए. That too, not in any powerful four-wheel drive, but in the small and lightweight front-wheel drive Hyundai Extra. Thanks to its good ground clearance and agility, and of course some skillful driving, we drove where few would dare and sighted several nocturnal animals and birds. दिन हो या रात, जंगल है कमाल।
Morning, Bob sir.
Good morning, Hara.
Hope you are having a good time, sir.
You know, every time I come to the jungle, I know this is where I belong. And I've been, standing here, listening to the birds, enjoying the ambience. It's magical.
Okay, तो चलते हैं फिर birds ही देखते हैं अपन. Let's go for a walk.
चलो चलो.
This is centuries old energy.
It looks like that. Been here for ages and it really has this powerful energy.
Okay. They have been protecting us for centuries now.